Hello, everyone. The global pharmaceutical manufacturing market size was valued at 324 billion US dollars in 2019 and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 13.74% from 2020 to 2027. In this video, we'll be talking about a stock that may easily 3x according to me. Before we proceed, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if this video brings any value to you. We will be talking about CASI Pharmaceuticals. It is a US Nasdaq listed biopharmaceutical company focused on developing and commercializing innovative therapeutics and pharmaceutical products with a product portfolio that includes approved and investigational assets. They have primary offices in Beijing and Rockville, Maryland, and a wholly owned subsidiary in China, through which their China operations are conducted. CASI is dedicated to the development and delivery of innovative therapeutics and high quality pharmaceutical products to patients worldwide while targeting the China market. China has cemented itself as a strategic player in the global pharmaceutical market, both as a consumer country and as a platform for establishing greater R&D. China's pharmaceutical industry is predicted to be the world's largest in under 10 years. EVOMELA. What is it? Cassie launched in China their first commercial product, EVOMELA, melaphalan for injection, in August 2019. In China, EVOMELA is approved for use as a conditioning treatment prior to stem cell transplantation and as a palliative treatment for patients with multiple myeloma. What is multiple myeloma? It is a cancer that forms in a type of white blood cell called a plasma cell. Healthy plasma cells help you fight infections by making antibodies that recognize and attack germs. In multiple myeloma, cancerous plasma cells accumulate in the bone marrow and crowd out healthy blood cells. As this is what a normal bone marrow would look like, but this is multiple myeloma, crowding the blood cells. The treatment for this type of cancer includes medications, chemotherapy, corticosteroids, radiation, or a stem cell transplant. Clinical development status of EVOLEMA. CASI intends to continue to drive market awareness and market penetration for EVOMELA in 2021 and beyond. A post marketing study for EVOMELA in China is currently underway. Prior to CASI's commercialization of EVOMELA, the number of patients with multiple myeloma who undergo cell transplantation in China was estimated to be approximately 800 cases per year. But in 2020, more than 2,600 patients were treated with EVOMELA due to CASI's call and physician education activities and the continued expansion of EVOMELA. In addition to EVOMELA, the company's other core hematology oncology assets in their pipeline include CNCT19, an autologous CD19 CAR-T investigative product being developed as a potential treatment for patients with hematological malignancies which expresses which express CD19, including B cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia and B cell non Hodgkin lymphoma. The second product is BI 1206, an antibody which has a novel mode of action, blocking the inhibitory antibody checkpoint receptor to unlock anti cancer immunity in both hematological malignancies and solid tumors. The third one is a novel oral second generation small molecule inhibitor. So, other assets in their pipeline for which they have exclusive rights in China are LAI, that is long acting injectable, for which they plan to begin the China registration study in 2021, and a novel formulation of Theotepa, for which their partner plans to begin the China registration study in 2021. Theotepa is used as a conditioning treatment for certain allogenic hematopoietic stem cell transplants. Subject to regulatory and marketing approvals, they intend to advance and commercialize these established products in China. So their clinical assets are the first one, EVOMELA, is now commercialized. They are licensed and commercially available in China. The second one, CNTC19, is in the phase 2 registration trial. So this would be a catalyst and something to look forward to. And the third one, BI 1206, the investigational innovative drug candidate in license for Greater China region, is in phase 1, and so is CB 5339. Their global senior management team includes people who are ex Johnson and Johnson, ex GSK, ex Pfizer, and so on, ex Novartis, and the CASI China management team also include people who are ex Johnson and Johnson and ex Takeda and so on. AstraZeneca. Coming to their financials. On the financial end, CASI reported for full year 2020 revenue of $15 million compared to 4.1 million in 2019. This was based primarily on sales of Evomela and exceeded the previously published guidance of $14 million for the year. The company finished 2020 with $57 million in cash on hand. And in March of this year, to raise capital, put over 15.8 million shares of common stock on the market. The stock sale crossed over 32 million before expenses. According to TipRank, their price target for the coming 12 months would be $4.10 in average, which is 145% upside from now. But one of the analysts said that it could go as high as $5. So that would be around 3 times of what it is currently. And their insider activity has also been a good indication for me to look into the stock even further. Their insider ownership percentage is 24.75%, and there have been a number of buying in the last 12 months and no selling at all. So this was about CASI Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol CASI. And if you think this video brought you any value at all, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.